TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 30 minutes into the trading day. Let's check in on the markets as the major indices pretty much higher. NASDAQ right now, the only one, minus 2 points, trading at 7113. You get the S&Ps up 8 points, trading 2703. Dow Jones positive 112 points, trading over the 25,000 mark, 25,025. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets. Before we do, I have the S&P up right here. Pretty remarkable from the lows that we had overnight Tuesday at 11:30 p.m. You're talking about 175 S&P points from that level. Pretty remarkable volatility. Let's jump over to that Nadex platform. Start things off with the S&P 500, currently trading 2701. We're lower overnight. Again, we've gotten quite a pop on the open. We'll see where the day leads us. NASDAQ 100, not quite the same rise. That's why the NASDAQ, the only major index currently in the red still. NASDAQ 100, not quite over those levels, but we'll see where the day leads us. Only 30 minutes into the trading day. Dow 30, highs of the session so far, just under 25,000 on the futures market, 24,968. Crude oil getting quite a pop. At 7:15 this morning, we're below $63. We're up about $1 from that level, $63.82. Of course, about 30 minutes from right now, we'll have the EIA inventory numbers. We'll see where those send that crude market. Gold market continuing to struggle as the market kind of gets an acceleration to the upside. Gold, the inverse of that, pulling back a little bit. Seeing a little bit of a pop this morning at about 9 o'clock. We were down about $13.23. $4 up from that level, $13.2737. And Bitcoin getting quite a run for itself. Bitcoin, earlier in the week, below 6,000. From there, 82.94. Got to get it out of my mouth there. 2,200 from that level. Pretty remarkable run when you look at a percentage basis, below 6,000 up to 8,300. And it's earnings season. We get some fundamental news. So you had Steve Wynn stepping down last night as CEO of Wynn. Wynn popping pre-market all the way up to 182, back down to 175, still up about 7%. You had Snapchat coming out with their earnings last night, up 22%. Pretty remarkable. Disney as well, up 1.4%. Hasbro to the negative side, down 0.6%, was down a lot more pre-market. This update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on their products, visit everbank.com/TFNN or give them a call at 855-750-4051. I'll be back here at 10 o'clock with Tom. Have a great day, everybody.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.